Formatting metadata. Each metadata schema will usually have a limited number of elements, an element name and a meaning for each element. Some of the most popular metadata schemas are doubling-co, AACR2, GILS, EAD, IMS, and AGLS. Doubling-co characteristics. Doubling-co coexists with other metadata sets. All elements are optional. All elements are syntax independent. Tagged in HTML, raw XML, or RDF XML. This shows simple example of a doubling-co record for a short poem, encoded as part of a web page. And the doubling-co elements and metadata are shown by arrows. Metadata challenges. Metadata challenges are too much concerned with fields and not enough with terms. Fields need a common terminology described by a content expert, but terms must fit into a universe of knowledge and not only useful to content experts. XML. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is a markup language much like HTML. It is designed to meet the challenges of large-scale electronic publishing. XML was designed to carry data, not to display data. XML tags are not predefined. XML is designed to be self-descriptive. XML is the W3C recommendation. XML is a software and hardware independent tool for carrying information. The syntax of XML. First rule. All XML elements must have a closing tag. Second rule. XML tags are case sensitive. XML elements are defined using XML tags. So, opening and closing tags must be written with the same case. Third rule. XML elements must be properly nested. In XML, all elements must be properly nested within each other. Fourth rule. XML documents must have a root element. XML documents must contain one element that is the parent of all the other elements. This element is called the root element. Fifth rule. XML attribute values must be quoted. XML elements can have attributes in name-value pairs just like in HTML. Sixth rule. Using entity references where necessary. Some characters have a special meaning in XML. Those characters must be used with entity references, otherwise it will generate an XML error message. Seventh rule. The syntax for writing comments in XML is similar to that of HTML. Eighth rule. HTML truncates multiple white space characters to one single white space. With XML, the white space in a document is not truncated. JSON. JSON is an alternative for XML, and it is a lightweight data interchange format. It is based on a subset of the JavaScript programming language. Also, it is a text format that is completely language independent but uses conventions that are familiar to programmers of the C family of languages. It is easy for humans to read, write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. JSON syntax. JSON is built on two structures. First one, a collection of name-value pairs. In various languages, this is realized as an object, record, struct, dictionary, hash table, or associative array. Second one, an ordered list of values. In most languages, this is realized as an array, vector, list, or sequence. JSON structures. Top of object diagram. An object is an unordered set of name-value pairs. An object begins with left brace and ends with right brace. Each name is followed by colon, and the name-value pairs are separated by the comma. Top of array diagram. An array is an ordered collection of values. An array begins with left bracket and ends with right bracket. Values are separated by comma. Top of value diagram. A value can be a string in double quotes, or a number, or true or false or null, or an object or an array. These structures can be nested. Top of string diagram. A string is a collection of 0 or more Unicode characters wrapped in double quotes using / escapes. A character is represented as a single character string. A string is very much like a C or Java string. Top of number diagram. A number is very much like a C or Java number, except that the octal and hexadecimal formats are not used. Advantages of JSON. JSON is easy. If you are familiar with writing classes in PHP, then you will most definitely be comfortable with writing JavaScript in object notation. JSON is nothing more than name-value pairs assigned with an object. JSON is easy to understand because if written well, it's a self-documenting structure. JSON is fast. You can impress your friends with JSON because it's pretty looking. Object notation.